How a user can register on Trades Copier. For registration as a user, simply go to master.tradescopier.com, then click on Sign Up. Enter your first name, your last name, and your email address, and then your phone number. Click on Checkbox. Sign up, and you are done. Now you will receive a verification email and password for your account. Now open and check your mails. You will get an email with a password similar to this one. Now go back to the login page. Enter your email, and then the password that you have received through mail, and click Sign In. That's it, here we go. We have successfully created master or user account. This is the dashboard of the Trades Copier. You will see the dashboard explanation in the next video.